Good morning and welcome to the session 11 from the playlist of basic mathematics for NEET preparation. The topic is differentiation and based on this topic I have written here a few important points which will help us to understand this topic in brief. तो पहला पॉइंट डेफिनेशन जो पहला पॉइंट है वो डिफरेंशिएशन का डेफिनेशन है. So differentiation is the process of finding the derivative of a function. And what is the derivative? The derivative of a function is the rate of change of that function with respect to another. So यहाँ पर I have written few important derivatives of some standard functions. पहला क्या है? Y is equal to xn है. Then dy by dx will be equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. That is here dy by dx is the rate of change of y with respect to x, or we can say that it is the derivative of y with respect to x. Now dy by dx जो है वो is equal to n into x n minus 1. So what we have done is we have simply brought this n down here, n को नीचे लिख लिया, उसको फिर n then multiplied this n is multiplied by x to the power n minus 1. That is we have subtracted 1 from the power. So अगर यहाँ पावर जैसे यहाँ पे n लिखी हुई है, so यहाँ पे हो जाएगा आपका n minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to n into x n minus 1. और अगर y कांस्टेंट है ये तो dy by dx 0 हो जाएगा. और y is equal to c into xn where c is a constant. तो उस केस में dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा? This will be equal to c multiplied by the dy by dx of xn. So this is equal to cn into x n minus 1. अब if y is equal to sin x है, then dy by dx will be equal to cos x. Y अगर cos x के बराबर है, then dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. Now if y is equal to tan x, then dy by dx is equal to sec square x है. And if y is equal to sec x है, then dy by dx is equal to sec x into tan x. If y is equal to cosec x, then dy by dx is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. और अगर y cot x के बराबर है, then dy by dx will be equal to minus cosec square x. So these are some of the derivatives of few standard functions. The rest will be discussed in the next session, that is in the session number 12. So let us try to solve one or two simple questions based on what we have studied so far. So यहाँ पर अगर मैं एक फंक्शन ले रहा हूँ y is equal to let us say 6 to the power 6 into x to the power 4. So यहाँ पे dy by dx क्या हो जाएगा? So in this case see this 6 is a constant and this is x to the power 4. So I will be using this formula c into x to the power n. So dy by dx will be equal to c into n into x n minus 1. So यहाँ पे c हो गया आपका 6, n हो जाएगा 4 into x n minus 1 will be equal to 3. So this is equal to 24x cube. अब मान लीजिए y is equal to x to the power minus 2 है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे इसको? dy by dx will be equal to minus 2 को नीचे लिख लेंगे into x n minus 1. तो minus 2 minus 1. तो here हमने क्या किया? I have used this formula. That is y is equal to xn. Then dy by dx will be equal to n into x n minus 1. तो हमने क्या किया यहाँ पर n क्या हो गया? minus 2. तो minus 2 लिख लिया into x to the power n minus 1. So n क्या है? minus 2 minus 1. So this is equal to minus 2 divided by x to the power 3 आ जाएगा. So this is the dy by dx of y is equal to x to the power minus 2. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be continuing with the same topic. That is, we will be studying about a few other derivatives of some more standard functions. And we will also study about the algebra of derivatives. That is, we will study about the product rule, quotient rule, chain rule, and the sum and the difference rule. So वो भी हम पढ़ेंगे. And thereafter we will start doing some simple numerical problems. So have a nice day. Bye.